Hi everyone, we can do exercise 7C question number 10, second one, which was the homework. So we can discuss that homework question. 10th, if A, B, C are in continued proportion, prove that, second part I am reading, A square plus B square plus C square divided by A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to A minus B plus C divided by A plus B plus C. So, given A, B, C are in continued proportion. So, how can we write? Since A, B, C are in continued proportion, we can write as A is to B proportion to B is to C. That is, A by B is equal to B by C. Usually, we are writing it as K. Let it be K. So, we can write A by B is equal to K. B by C is also K. K can be written as K by 1. So, A is equal to BK, B is equal to CK. Replace B as CK. So, A will become what? Instead of B, we can write it as CK. So, CK into K. So, A is equal to CK square and B is equal to CK. So, take LHS. LHS is equal to A square plus B square plus C square divided by A plus B plus C the whole square. So, we can replace A as CK square. So, it will be what? CK square the whole square plus B square. So, CK the whole square plus C square divided by A CK square plus B CK plus C the whole square. Okay. The square is common for both C and K square. So, we can write it as C square K raised to 4 plus this square is common for C and K. So, we can write it as C square K square plus C square divided by CK square plus CK plus C the whole square. Numerator we can take C square common, then K raised to 4 plus K square plus 1 divided by, within the brackets we can take C common. So, C, then balance K square plus K plus 1. That square is common for all, no? So, we want to put square common. Then, give that square to both C and K square plus K plus 1. So, it will be numerator as numerator what? C square into K raised to 4 plus K square plus 1 divided by C square into K square plus K plus 1 the whole square. C square cancel. Then K raised to 4 plus K square plus 1 divided by K square plus K plus 1 the whole square. So, numerator we want to adjust. Why? Because denominator we have K square plus K plus 1 the whole square. That means what? This 2 times K raised to 4 plus K square plus 1 divided by this 2 times means K square plus K plus 1 into what? Again K square plus K plus 1. No, that is the meaning of that. 2 times means this one into this one. So, it will be 2 times. That means x square means what? X into x. No. Same way I wrote like this way, A square plus K plus 1 the whole square means K square plus K plus 1 into K square plus K plus 1. So, if we are getting 1 K square plus K plus 1 in the numerator, we can cancel, no. So, K raised to 4 plus K square plus 1, we can change in form of K square plus K plus 1. So, listen properly, numerator we are changing. So, how can we change that? Depending upon this denominator, we are changing the numerator. So, denominator K raised to 2 plus K plus 1 into K raised to 2 plus K plus 1. Then this K raised to 4 plus K square plus 1, we are writing in terms of K square plus K plus 1. Then we can cancel this. So, what will be the remaining? We want to get the answer as K raised to 4 plus K square plus 1. So, do in the working column. We want to get what? K raised to 4 plus k square plus 1. Okay, we have k square plus k plus 1. If we are multiplying this k raised to 2 plus k plus 1 by what? K raised to 2 minus k plus 1. Just check it. K raised to 2 minus k plus 1. If we change the bracket, you will get this one or not. Check it. Do in the working column. K raised to 2 into 2 means k raised to 4. Then we want to get what? K raised to 4 plus k square plus 1. So this we are changing in terms of k square plus k plus 1 and k square minus k plus 1. So check, if we are multiplying this, you will get the answer as k raised to 4 plus k square plus 1. Then we can write, instead of this we can write these two. Okay. So just check it. K raised to 2 into k raised to 2 is k raised to 4. Then minus k raised to 3. Then here k raised to 2 plus k is plus k raised to 2. Then again with this plus k raised to 3. Then here again minus k raised to 2. Then here plus k. Then do with 1. 1 into k square is k square. Then 1 into minus k is minus k. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. So k raised to 3 and k raised to 3 here cancel. K square we can cancel. Then k we can cancel. Remaining it will be k raised to 4 plus k square plus 1. That only we want to get, no? So instead of k raised to 4 plus k square plus 1, we are writing as k square plus k plus 1 into k square minus k plus 1. K square plus k plus 1 denominator, look at the denominator, and depending upon that we are writing. So k raised to 4 plus k square plus 1 we split as k square minus k plus 1, k square plus k plus 1. So we can cancel these two. Remaining k square minus k plus 1 divided by k square plus k plus 1. Let it be equation number 1. Then how we are getting this? That easy method I will tell you later. After taking the RHS, I will tell how we can take this as k square minus k plus 1. I will tell you later after writing the doing the RHS part. Okay, up to this understood, no? So depending upon this k square plus k plus 1, we will write k square plus k plus 1. Then you have a doubt with the k square minus k plus 1, no? That I will tell you later after doing the second equation. Okay, then take RHS. So RHS is a minus b plus c divided by a plus b plus c. We have a as what? We know a as what? Ck square and b ck. So replace that a as ck square minus ck plus c divided by a is what? Ck square plus b ck plus c. So here c common we can take. So k square minus k plus 1 divided by here also k square plus k plus 1. C cancel is equal to k square minus k plus 1 divided by k square plus k plus 1. Let it be equation number 2. Already we got equation number 1 as k raised to 4. That only we adjust, no? That is k raised to 4, equation number 1. Before equation number 1, what we got? LHS part was equal to k raised to 4 plus k square plus 1 divided by k square plus k plus 1 the whole square. No, this is the LHS part. No, before equation number 1. That equation number 1, how we are getting that equation number 1? We are adjusting this, no? So what we do? K raised to 4 plus k square plus 1 divided by k square plus k plus 1 into k square plus k plus 1. So what I told, no? After LHS part, after RHS part, I will clear your doubt. So look at equation number 1 and equation number 2. This is equation number 1, no? K raised to 4. So how we wrote this? K raised to 4 plus k square plus 1. What we do? We are replacing depending upon this denominator, we are replacing this, but k square plus k plus 1, then only we can cancel this, no? So k plus 1, k square plus k plus 1. So only one easy method is what? Look at the RHS. If you are stuck in with this means we want to cancel this k square plus k plus 1 and k square plus k plus 1. Then we want to write k square plus k plus 1. We have k raised to 4 plus k square plus 1. Then if you don't know to do this, let it be there and leave one line. Then do the RHS part and look at RHS part, k square minus k plus 1, k square plus k plus 1. So we want to equate that, no, equation 1 and equation 2. Then only we can write LHS is equal to RHS. So if you are splitting this k raised to 4 plus k square plus 1 as k square plus k plus 1, it will cancel. Then only what? This is equation number 1, no? If you are equating equation 1 and 2, then look at equation number 2, k square plus k plus 1, k square plus k plus 1. So adjust the numerator for the equation number 2, that is better. So look at k square minus k plus 1. So write k square minus k plus 1. Then after that, we want to check whether it is correct or wrong, no? So look at the RHS part, numerator, and adjust with that. So you will get k square minus k plus 1. Then after adjusting, what you have to do is do in the working column this cross multiplication. So if you are doing the cross multiplication here, you will get it as k raised to 4 plus k square plus 1. If it is difficult to do directly means up to this you write and leave one line and do which one? RHS part. You will get this k square minus k plus 1 divided by k square plus k plus 1. Look at this equation number 2 and with this equation number 2 you adjust equation number 1. So k square minus k plus 1 divided by k square plus k plus 1. If you are changing this bracket, you are getting this, no? So equation number 1 is equal to equation number 2, that is what? Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, that is what? A square plus b square plus c square divided by a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a minus b plus c divided by a plus b plus c. I think it is clear for you. It is a homework question. So many of you asked me the doubt. So if you have any doubt, please ask me, okay.